वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं, आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं।
Friends, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. It's my great pleasure to be here today in Qatar, not only our second home, but it's a beautiful city around this region, and I've always felt most comfortable, happy whenever I traveled to this great country, state of Qatar. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before this great assembly of artists, experts, historians, and politicians, and ordinary citizens at the opening ceremony of this remarkable exhibition, Manzar, a 3-month-long unique celebration of Pakistan and Qatar culture. By thanking my very dear brother, His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Amir of State of Qatar, who extended me a gracious invitation to inaugurate today's exceptional event. I also would like to thank and express my deep sense of gratitude for Her Excellency Sheikha Al-Mayasa bint Hamad bin Khalif Al Thani for her visionary leadership and for taking this initiative to spotlight Pakistan's rich and diverse artistic heritage. It was only due to her deep understanding and appreciation of Pakistan's cultural treasures which made this exhibition a reality, bringing together the past, present, and future of Pakistan's great artistic journey. Your Excellency, your leadership and philanthropy have inspired countless others to see the transformative power of cultural engagement and education as pathways to peace, prosperity, and progress. Your Excellency has redefined what it means to be a patron of culture in the 21st century. Ladies and gentlemen, Qatar Museum, with its global outlook and dedication to cultural diplomacy, has set a new stage for an event that not only highlights art but also champions the soft power of our nations. Ladies and gentlemen, historically, Pakistan takes pride in over 5,000 years of its rich history. Today, our nation and its world-class institutions and entrepreneurs continue to shape Pakistan as a modern, robust 21st century society and economy in the face of humongous challenges, regional and global. The wonderful display of a select and unique art exhibits from Pakistan, meticulously curated by the organizers, is telling the heart-touching story of Pakistan in a completely new and different way. My dear brothers and sisters, our countries have long shared a history of mutual respect, collaboration, and brotherhood. This exhibition is a testament to the great bonds of fraternity and affiliation among our two peoples, which the Manzar itself are vibrant, multifaceted, and deeply enriching. The collection on display at this exhibition spans the works of legendary figures like late Abdurrahman Chughtai, the great Sadiqan, and highly respected Nair Ali Dada, to the internationally acclaimed contemporary artists such as Salima Hashmi, Imran Qureshi, Rashid Rana, and Shazia Sikandar. I am also delighted to note that today's exhibition includes newly commissioned works from some of Pakistan's most innovative minds, including Yasmin Lari, Umar Wasim, Maria Lukman, and many others who bring new perspectives that push the boundaries of artistic expression. The collaborative efforts between Qatar Museum and the curators, architects, and specialists from Pakistan, such as Zamina Shah and Raza Ali Dada, speak volumes about the spirit of partnership that has brought Manzar to life. I would like to really thank and congratulate from the core of my heart those great Pakistanis who have contributed in this exhibition in a magnificent way. And please join me in applauding all of them through this great effort on their part. Ladies and gentlemen, this exhibition stands a great evidence to the strong and successful collaboration between Art Mill Museum, Qatar Museum, the Embassy of Pakistan in Qatar, National Heritage and Culture Division.
आज़म शहबाज शरीफ नेशनल म्यूजियम ऑफ कतर में नुमाइश मंजर की इफ्तिताही तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।